Century Garage Door Repair Service in Scottsdale, Arizona. 5 stars, 388 reviews. That is a serious reputation. But we audited their online marketing, and the setup doesn't match it. First, their reviews are displayed on the site, but there's no review markup, the small piece of code that lets Google show star ratings right in the search results. They did the hard part, earning all those 5-star reviews. Without that snippet, a competitor with half the reviews can look better in search, and Century leaves free clicks behind. Second, no service and city pages. People don't search Century Garage Door. They search Garage Door Repair in Scottsdale. With one generic page, there's simply nothing for Google to rank against those searches. Third, no analytics at all. Nothing showing which marketing produces leads and which burns money. And no ads conversion tag either. So if ads ever run, they're running blind. Fourth, no Facebook pixel. That means no retargeting people who already visited the site. Usually one of the cheapest ad channels available, sitting completely unused. And the homepage has no video and no links to any social profiles. Nothing that helps a first-time visitor build trust quickly. Now here's the bigger point. Every one of these is a basic any agency should catch in week 1. And when they're missed, it's usually because agencies collect monthly retainers while junior staff juggle 80 accounts and nobody actually looks. If someone's being paid to run this, they should have caught it. And here's what most owners don't know yet. With AI, these exact fixes can now run automatically. With a bit of guidance, you can take control, run your marketing in-house, own the whole thing, and never depend on an agency again. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.